Hey everybody, so we're back with lesson 6.4, two-step equations. This time there are rational coefficients. So if you take a look at this problem, there are two steps, two operations being done on the left side of the equation. If we ignore the negative 25 for a second, if you ignore the right side and you just look at where the variable is, you should always immediately be looking, where's my variable? What do I have to undo? So what we look at here, I see 3/8 multiplied by the variable, and then we're adding 1. So we have to use the inverse operations. So the inverse operation of plus 1 is easy. We're going to put a -1 underneath both sides, and we're off to the races. In fact, this is problem number 4 on your classwork, so you can use my work to help you. For all of the problems on the classwork, undo the adding or subtracting first. That's going to be your first step for all of the problems today. Undo the adding or subtracting. Now, if we look at the rational coefficient, that's when you have to think back to lesson 6.3, the lesson that we learned last week. So let's focus on the easy part first. I'm going to undo the +1. I'm going to put -1, -1. And now +1 and -1 are opposites. They give me 0. They cancel out. Okay, now I bring down the 3/8 n and a -25 and a -1. They're on the same team. They're both negatives. So I add them up and I have a total of 26 negatives. Now, how did we get rid of these rational coefficients and make 1? We multiplied by the reciprocal. So on both sides, I'm going to put multiply by 8/3. So on the left side, any number multiplied by its reciprocal is 1. I can cross cancel these all out into 1s, and I have 1n, or just n, Now, on the right side, -26 multiplied by 8/3. There's no cross simplifying there. You actually have to do the work, okay? And here's what the work for that would look like. So I set up -26, I put it over 1 times 8/3. I multiply my numerators. I'm going to get 208. I multiply my denominators. I'm going to get 3. So I have -208/3. And now I need to do the long division. I need to do the long division and get rid of it. So 208 divided by 3. Okay, we know it's a negative, so I'm not going to forget about that. 3 into 20 is 6. I multiply back, I get 18. My remainder is 2. Bring down the 8. 3 into 28 is 9. I multiply back, I get 27 with a remainder of 1. What do we do with your remainder? You bring it up, it's your numerator, and your denominator is the same. So the final answer to this problem is -69 1/3. When you have these rational coefficient problems with fractions, you should be getting mixed number or fraction answers. You can't use a calculator and get them into a decimal because that's not how you're going to see it on a multiple choice quizzes or on your test, okay? So make sure when you get to a step like this, okay, give yourself some room and show the work, okay? Because you're going to need your answer in this form to get the correct answer, the solution. So, reminder, today's classwork, I'm uploading a sheet with 24 problems. You're not doing all 24 problems today. You're just doing the first 12. And then at the bottom, after you're done with the 12, go back to problems 1, 2, and 3. Substitute your answer in like I showed in the first video, and check your work for problems 1, 2, and 3. So that's a total of 15 problems that you're doing. 12 of them are getting the solution, and the last 3 are checks. All right, thanks everybody. Good luck. Leave any questions in the comments, or you can always email me if you're having trouble and you want to see some more videos. Have a great day, everybody.